G'day folks, this is the TECO Rotary Compressor's motor stator. We're going to burn it out. I've already tried running it with the rotor out. I'm going to make that a separate video on its own because that's just cool. But now I've just threw a handful of roofing screws inside the stator just to see what they would do. Whether they levitate in the centre or just come flying out. Don't know. Yeah, let's turn the power on till she pops. That's all there is to it. I'm just having a clean up at the moment, and well, yeah, that thing's going to go on the trailer with the rest of the scrap. That moves. The mains is fully isolated, by the way. I'm not touching this while it's still connected to neutral. It's on powerful electromagnet. Burning lacquer and refrigerant oil. It's always fun. These are amp meters, so you can watch them when you want to know what's going on. I'll turn the fan on too. Well, actually I'll turn it on afterwards. Full throttle. Well then, that's that. It's been sitting out in the weather, so you can hear the water popping off inside the windings. The oil's superheating and the water's just boiling off with the oil. That's what that crackling was. It seems I only burnt the start winding though. It was hooked up right. I guess there was something wrong with it. Well, that went short on its own and then the rest of it went afterwards. And it has taken the main breaker out, so that's short. Oh well. Thanks for watching.